Have you ever wondered who looked at another human being and thought, you know what would be hilarious? And then kicked them right in the family jewels? As stupid as it sounds, this joke is probably thousands of years old. Seriously. Ancient Greek pottery, Roman graffiti, medieval drawings, people have been sketching nutshots for centuries. Historians have even found artwork showing men getting hit exactly where every man least wants to be hit. Apparently, civilization invented this joke long before Wi-Fi. But why? Because it's the perfect comedy formula. Everyone instantly understands the pain, unless it's happening to them. The victim makes a ridiculous face. Everyone else laughs, and 5 seconds later, they're somehow still friends. Human brains are weird like that. Scientists think we laugh when tension suddenly disappears. Your friend survives, everyone realizes he'll live, and the panic instantly turns into laughter. It's basically slapstick with much higher stakes. So who was the first person to do it? We'll never know. His name is lost to history. But somewhere, tens of thousands of years ago, one caveman doubled over in agony, while another couldn't stop laughing. And judging by the fact that the joke is still alive today, the oldest prank in human history may also be the one men fear the most.